Hello everyone, welcome back to another video of editing basics. In this video we are going to learn how to change color of your text in Canva. So the first step is to open your preferred browser. Now on the search bar type in canva.com and this will lead you to homepage of Canva website. Now here on the top right corner of your screen you can see create a design button. Click on it and choose your required template. After that, you can see different options here on the left side. Click on text and add a text box and type in your required text. Now after you are done, simply select this text and here on the top side you can see this option which says text color. Click on it. Now you can choose your desired color from these options. Here I am choosing this blue one. And after that you can see that following the simple and easy step you have successfully changed the color of your text in Canva. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please do like, share and subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to comment down below if you have any queries. Thank you.